Clean out the inner rim, of course, all the time. Wheel wells get special treatment. And put a nice protective wax coating on the front tray, the windshield wipers all the way across. All the plastic and rubber gets treated. This has wax on it, a special plastic. And this has a rubber wax. We got all the oxidation off of it, fully restored it. Should be good for another year, including this rubber and this plastic right here. And the metal, and all of this has been treated with protectant and a nice wax coating so it stays fresh. The doors, the door jambs cleaned, doors dressed with protectant, including this rubber has protectant on it now, keep it from changing colors. Dashboard all the way across. Spent a lot of time on this dashboard here. Car's been vacuumed. Need to put the mats back in here, and this and the mat right here. Vacuumed, windows cleaned inside and out. This truck's looking very good. Had to do it in a garage today because it was raining. Ah, that's really nice. And same for the trunk cover. Put a nice protectant on that also too, waxed out. We buffed out and waxed this entire vehicle. This has all been treated. The inside has been done. They got a full detail package. This has been done for 3 Crowns Construction in Sequim, Washington. This hunter green has always been a difficult color. You have to have this done at least once a year. This color right here, it is notorious for fading and oxidizing, and you got to stay on top of it, otherwise it'll get out of control. But this one is doing pretty good by the looks of it. And 3 Crowns Construction in Sequim, Washington owns this truck. Like a fairly large construction company in the area. And you guys have a great day. Oh, and don't forget the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington. You always got to put that in there. So we're on Facebook. Lots of videos on YouTube, hundreds of videos. Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington, car wash man, motorhome wash man. Also, there's the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Faithful Angel pet care and cleaning services. We do house windows, your house or business windows for you. They get detailed. House cleaning services, pet care services, house sitting services. And you can find her on Facebook, YouTube, and the World Wide Web. Just put in Port Angeles-Sequim and then put Faithful Angel in there, and she'll pop right up. Have a great day.